Best business ideas to make money online in 2025. In 2025, the digital frontier is more lucrative than ever. The beauty of online business is its global reach, low startup cost, and high scalability. With AI-driven automation, decentralized finance, and the creator economy thriving, it's the perfect time to launch a business from your laptop. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. AI Content Creation Services. The AI content creation wave has opened the doors for freelancers and entrepreneurs to deliver blogs, videos, designs, and even code at record speed. In 2025, AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Sora by OpenAI are central to the content economy. You can offer editing services, ghostwriting, video production, or full-fledged marketing solutions powered by AI. Businesses are seeking creators who can produce engaging material quickly while still preserving authenticity. By blending AI with human touch, you can build a scalable, high-demand business that caters to brands worldwide. Why it works? AI tools can speed up your workflow, reduce production costs, and increase output volume. Niche subscription box services, digital or physical. Subscription boxes aren't just for socks and snacks anymore. In 2025, niche subscription models, whether digital or physical, are booming. Think meditation kits, productivity templates, e-learning bundles, or curated crypto insights. Consumers are willing to pay monthly for value and convenience. You can automate delivery using tools like Shopify, Substack, or Gumroad and build loyal communities around your offering. Why it works? Recurring revenue makes your income predictable, and your community keeps growing with every subscriber. Plus, a well-branded subscription product can also lead to upsells like coaching, merchandise, or events. Digital products, courses, templates, Notion packs. Selling digital products remains one of the most profitable online businesses in 2025. From selling Notion templates and Canva graphics to coding frameworks or complete online courses, digital products are infinitely scalable with no inventory. The e-learning and productivity markets are still expanding, especially in niches like AI education, mental wellness, productivity, and crypto investing. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Kajabi simplify setup and automation, so you can focus on value delivery. Why it works? You make the product once and sell it forever. Your margins are nearly 100%, and you can reach global audiences. Paired with a solid email funnel or influencer marketing, this can grow into a 6- or 7-figure business. Affiliate marketing for emerging niches. Affiliate marketing remains a lucrative strategy in 2025, but the key is going niche. High-converting topics include decentralized finance, AI software, luxury tech gadgets, and sustainable products. By creating blog content, YouTube reviews, or TikTok micro-content around your niche, you can drive targeted traffic and earn commissions from companies you trust. The trick is becoming a trusted voice in that micro-niche. Why it works? Low startup costs, no product development, and high scalability. SEO and email marketing still matter, but now you can amplify reach with short-form video and AI-generated visuals. Once your affiliate content ranks or gains traction, it generates passive income, sometimes for years. Choose recurring commission programs for greater long-term ROI. E-commerce plus print on demand with AI integration. E-commerce isn't dead, it's just evolving. In 2025, winning stores use AI to design products, automate support, and predict trends. Print on demand, POD, allows you to sell custom apparel, mugs, books, or artwork without holding inventory. Platforms like Printful, Gelato, and Redbubble let you plug into Shopify or Etsy instantly. With AI image generators like Midjourney, you can produce unique and compelling designs that outperform mass-market competition. Why it works? Print on demand reduces upfront costs and lets you test hundreds of product ideas quickly. Add AI for design and marketing automation, and you've got a highly efficient creative enterprise with serious upside potential. AI automation consulting for businesses. Small and mid-sized businesses are desperate to adopt AI, but they don't know how. That's where AI consultants come in. You don't need to be a developer, you just need to know the tools, ChatGPT, Zapier, Make, Notion AI, etc., and how to implement them. Help companies automate tasks like email handling, customer support, report generation, and content production. With the right strategy, you can earn thousands per client with minimal ongoing work. Why it works? High ticket, low overhead, and insane demand. Companies are investing heavily in AI adoption, and you can position yourself as the go-to expert for onboarding and integration. Virtual events and online summits. Virtual events are now premium experiences. In 2025, tools like Hopin, Zoom Events, and Run the World help you host multi-day events with ease. From business coaching summits to digital wellness retreats, online events let you gather thousands of people globally without leaving your room. You can charge for attendance, upsell digital recordings, or offer exclusive VIP experiences. Partner with influencers, authors, or niche experts to multiply reach. NFT-based membership communities. While speculative NFT trading has slowed, utility-based NFTs are thriving. In 2025, exclusive membership communities, like courses, private masterminds, or content vaults, use NFTs as access tokens. By launching your own collection on platforms like Zora, OpenSea, or Mirror, you can create scarcity and give your most loyal followers unique benefits. These memberships can include group coaching, alpha calls, premium content, or even real-world perks. Online coaching or mentorship in specialized niches. In 2025, coaching is more lucrative than ever, especially in specialized niches. Think AI skill building, remote work management, crypto investing, mindfulness, or even personal branding. With platforms like Coach Accountable or Kajabi, you can run group programs or one-on-one sessions. The key is positioning yourself as a knowledgeable, relatable guide with a proven framework. Packages can range from $500 to $10,000 plus, depending on the depth of transformation you offer. YouTube automation channels with AI tools. In 2025, faceless YouTube channels, powered by AI tools, are dominating. Channels in finance, storytelling, luxury, or crypto use AI voiceovers, scripts, and animations to produce content at scale. With tools like 11 Labs, Voice, Pictory, video creation, and ChatGPT, scripts, you can launch multiple monetized channels without ever appearing on screen. Monetization comes from AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Some creators are even selling automated YouTube channel systems for profit. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.